Welcome back to Mechanical Engineering Design. What you see on the screen, it's a 3D body that I created with only two simple sketches, and I'll show you how. So let's get started. Now I'll create my design from right plane, and I'll begin with a circle from center point, followed by a line, upwards like this, repeat circle, just vertically from origin, there is another circle here. Now the next step is to draw another line from this point downwards, so I can smart dimension from this origin to this origin, 140 mm. From this origin downwards 45. This diameter is 8 mm and the inner diameter is 40 mm. Now this horizontal distance 100 mm. This circle 60 mm. The inner circle 30 millimeters. Give relations, hold on shift, tangent relations like that. Now from this point to this point, vertical relations like that. Now few dimensions, 100 is from this origin to this edge, millimeters. There is this height, 100 millimeters, and our sketch is fully defined. So we need to do some few modification. Just click on offset, a distance of 12 millimeters, and then click this one. Okay, so go to trim entities and you have to trim this line, also trim this line, this one, like this. Click OK. So everything is done. We are only remaining with one sketch. So go to features and then extrude. So extrusion distance 30 millimeters, and then we have to select contour. There is an error over here. Go back to same sketch, trim entities, smart dimension from this point, this line 12 millimeters. Now we need to erase this point. See, sketch is fully defined. So exit. Now to extrude the second part, just click on the same sketch, go to extrude. This time we'll give a distance of 60 mm and you select this contour like this, then OK. Now see what you got. So far we have only used one sketch to come up with this part. So we are going to the next sketch, and this time we'll sketch from front plane, sketch, And then for us to identify this part, we need to sketch from here, this point, like this. But on normal plane, we cannot see. That's where section view comes in. So click on section view, like this. Now click OK. Pick line from this point, this point, this point, this point, and finally we close. Click OK. You see, our sketch is fully defined. So undo section view and go to features and then extrude. Say mid plane, the distance of 10 millimeters, like this. Then we have to select pin feature and direction is inwards, like this. See what we get? Just click OK. And just like that, we have a 3D body from only 2 sketches. So final thing is to fillet. So fillet will use a radius of 3 mm and just do a fillet on this face, this one. See, there is also this line, also this edge, and finally on the final face we will select this one and this one. And that is how we have come up with 3D body from 2 sketches. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next tutorial.